We are focusing in the area of containment technology. The containment technology comes into picture when you have the toxicity involved. When you are manufacturing a pharmaceutical products, many a times it so happens that the product what you are manufacturing may be highly toxic, especially if you see the medicine which goes for oncology, that is anti-cancer drugs. They are highly toxic. In the sense, the person should not come in contact with the medicine to the extent of even if he comes in contact to the extent of 1 microgram, the person might lose his life or maybe end up in a permanent disorders. To just give you an example of 0.1 or 1 microgram, let's say if you take a sugar crystal, or sugar cube, that weighs around 1 gram, and this whole may be around 100 meter cube of volume. If I crush it and throw it here, and we breathe it, we are going to take it in, continuously. That brings 10,000 microgram. There's not 1 microgram. There's 10,000 microgram will be sucking in a meter cube of area, volume. So we are talking about 1 microgram. So 1/10 of that, if I crush a single sugar cube and throw it here, that makes 10,000 microgram per meter cube volume. And we are talking about 1 microgram of the person should not inhale to that extent. We make enclosure systems and the safety devices which will control the operator and the product exposures. The product exposure to the atmospheric, the reason for having these kind of equipment is to prevent the operator exposure to the product and product exposure to the atmosphere. Many times it so happens that it might even pollute, it can create many other environmental issues. And we have been in India since last 2008, and we have been doing around 15 to 20 crores. Oliver Nulty is the managing director of ONFAB UK, and they have a factory in Bangalore to manufacture similar equipment in the I would say it's a plastic. We call it as a flexible containment technology. And ours is a rigid containment technology. They make a flexible containment technology. They have, each one have their own application, their own advantages and disadvantages. Now, due to their, they wanted to focus on a European market, so they were wanted to shell off the Indian facility. So we have now taken over the ONFAB India UK facility, and then